guys, my name is Sherry and I'm currently in year 2 studying the Diploma in Biotechnology. I was originally from Yuhua Secondary School and graduated in 2018.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Edmund Lui. I'm a lecturer from the Diploma in Biomedical Science, School of Chemical and Life Science, Singapore Polytechnic.
And today I am here to answer your questions on EAE. I chose EAE into DVT because I wanted to pursue a path that was related to biology, and I also wanted to have like a peace of mind when I went to take my national exams, already knowing where I was headed to after. So I chose SP because of convenience, because it was located right next to Dover MRT. And my sister was an alumni from SP, so I kind of had an idea of what the school culture would be like, and that kind of made me gravitate more towards choosing to come to SP.
Yes, all 6 diplomas under the School of Chemical and Life Science are offered through the EAE route.
I would say nothing ventured and nothing gained. PSLE nor GCE O-levels are easy, but look, you did it. So you never know if you don't try, you see.
So applicants who actually demonstrate passion, aptitude, good communication skill, and a good general understanding of life as optometry will generally have a good chance of entering. So please go ahead and try. So the write-up should actually demonstrate strong aptitude and passion in the course-specific areas that you have applied for. You should also list your CCA's accomplishment projects that you have done to support your statement in this particular case.
For example, I wrote that I participated in the Singapore Junior Bio Olympiad when I was in secondary school, and I also wrote about representing the school in science related competitions and stuff outside. So yeah, so just really give them examples of things that you have done that is related to your course.
So aptitude tests are designed to systematically assess applicant ability to perform general tasks related to the diploma program, as well as their ability to make sound judgment in varying situations. So depending on the diploma, it might comprise of written assessment, hands-on activities, etc.
From my experience, the aptitude test is not actually very theory-based. It's more scenario-based to see how you would react in certain situations. For the test, I would say you need not worry about having to study for it so much.
It could be either, depending on the diploma, schools and institute.
So for my interview, it was actually a group interview. So there were about 7 students to a panel of interviewers. So I would have to say really have to take initiative to speak up. But other than that, it's not as intimidating as you would think it is.
Very simple, the write-up should demonstrate strong aptitude and passion in the selected science area that you have chosen. You should also list relevant CCAs and accomplishment to support your aptitude and passion in this particular area.
So you have to state clear evidence on why you are interested in your course. For science courses, you have to talk about achievements you have gotten that are related to science, or maybe some events that you have participated in that are related to science as well. They can be both internal school events or even external school events like science competitions and so on. Show them you have acted on your interests.
So that is a very good question. So in that case, please think hard why you actually choose this particular course that you are applying for if you have not have any experience or participate in relatable events to this particular course. A good place to start is our SP core values. So what exactly is our SP core values? Please go ahead and find out in our website. A good place to start is our SP core values. So what exactly is our SP core values? In addition, having a growth mindset and entrepreneurial vigor is also something we consider to be valuable. You can choose up to 3 courses, so yes, you can choose 2 as well.
Well, you will only receive 1 offer, so the order of your choices is important. So choose the course that you really want the most as your first choice. So that's all for today. To those who are wishing to participate in the EAE journey, I wish you all the best. Just be yourself and things will work out well.
So that's all I have, and I hope to see you in SP soon. Take care.